Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given the inequality 6x minus 9y is greater than 12, and we're asked which of the following inequalities is equivalent to the one above. So just rewriting this right here. In terms of simplifying this, before we want to adjust anything to try and get this to match one of these, we can first notice that each of these is a multiple of 3. So if we divide everything by 3, it makes things a little bit easier. For any equation or inequality, usually it's a good thing to see if there's a common factor, right? If you can pull out an x from everything, if you can pull out a constant from anything, that sort of thing. So in this case, you have 6 divided by 3 is 2x, minus 9 divided by 3 is 3y, is greater than 12 divided by 3 is 4. And before we go on, we already notice this is equivalent to b, so b as an inequality is equivalent to 6x minus 9y is greater than 12. So it's going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.